Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Azure functions using Cisco Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cisco Cloud account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your cloud resources. Select the option for creating new resources or projects. Choose Azure Functions as your function service. Review the available templates for Azure Functions. Select the template that best fits your application needs. Click on the Create button to initiate the setup process. Fill in the required details for your Azure function. This includes naming your function and selecting the runtime stack. Choose the appropriate region for optimal performance. Next, configure your storage account. Select an existing storage account or create a new one. Ensure your storage account meets Azure function requirements. Proceed to set environment variables if needed. Review any existing configurations to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Review plus Create button. Verify all details in the final review screen. If everything looks correct, confirm by clicking Create. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Upon completion, navigate to the Function app within Azure. Check that the status is running to ensure everything deployed correctly. To add a function, click on your Azure Function app. Select Functions from the menu on the left. Click on Add to create a new function. Select the desired trigger type for your function. Fill in the specific configurations for your function. Write your function code in the provided editor. Utilize the Azure portal tools for error checking and debugging. Test your function directly within the Azure portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.